everyone. Let's continue the topic which I was discussing in the last video. Dhatura. Type of poison is deliriant poison. Botanical name is Datura metal. Synonyms are Kanaka, Madana, Shivapriya, and the toxic part is the seed. Chemical constituents are atropine and hyoscine. Rasa Panchaka. Rasa is Tikta and Katu, Guna or Laghu and Ruksha, Virya is Ushna, Vipaka is Katu and Karma is Vishagna Kasahara. Main symptoms are there are 9 main symptoms which we could see in this. Those are dryness of mouth and throat, dysarthria means difficulty in talking, dilation of cutaneous vessels, dysphagia, dilation of pupil, dry hot skin, drunken gait, delirium, and drowsiness. Vishakta Lakshana. Signs and symptoms due to seed poisoning are Atitrushna, Brahma, Sweda Pravrutti, Pralapa, Murcha, Atikrushta Swasa, Moha, Akshepaka. The fatal dose will be 50 to 100 seeds and the fatal period will be 24 hours. Treatment given to this is decontamination with emesis or stomach wash with weak solution of tannic acid, activated charcoal given with cathartic, wash out the lower bowel frequently. Antidotes used are physostigmine 1 to 4 mg IV/IM at hourly intervals, pilocarpine 5 to 15 mg subcutaneously, and Godugda with sugar. Diazepam 4 for sedation and seizures. Morphine is to be avoided and supportive measures should be taken. Postmortem appearance will be having fragments of seeds may be found in stomach and intestines. Internal organs are mostly congested. Rarely mucous membrane of stomach is inflamed. Medical legal importance associated with this is usually used as a stupefying poison given to travelers in highway robbery and kidnapping, hence is known as railroad poison. Suicidal poisoning is rare. Accidental poisoning is common due to its use by quacks in medicines or by mistaking them for edible fruits or capsicum seeds. Datura seeds and capsicum seeds are similar to each other and have chance to adulterate. Difference between capsicum and dhatura seeds is in terms of criteria. Size, dhatura will have large and thick while capsicum have small and thin. Shape, dhatura will have kidney shape while capsicum will have round shape. Surface of dhatura will have tiny depressions while capsicum is smooth. Odor of dhatura will be there is no odor, that is odorless, while capsicum will have pungent smell. Taste will be slightly bitter for dhatura and pungent for capsicum. Method of Shodhana. Svedana in Dola Yantra using Godugdha for 3 hours. Later should do Prakshalana with hot water, dry it and can be stored. Important formulations are Dhatura Taila, Maha Kanaka Taila, Kanakasava. Pharmacotherapeutics. Krumigna, Jwaranashana. Therapeutic drugs are Bija Churna 1 by 4th to half Gunja. Next one is Bhanga or Vijaya. Type of poison is deliriant poison. Botanical name is Cannabis indica. Synonyms are Madini, Siddhi, Booty. Toxic part is all parts of the plant except stem, roots and seeds. Chemical constituents found in this are cannabinol and tetrahydrocannabinol, that is THC. Rasapanchaka includes Rasa will be Tikta, Guna or Laghu Tikshna, Vyavayi, Virya will be Ushna, Vipaka will be Katu. It grows all over India. Anyhow, Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act bans the production and sales of cannabis, resins and flowers but permits the use of leaves and seeds as these are non-poisonous. Vishakta Lakshana. Signs and symptoms of poisoning are ophthalmic disorder, mental confusion, transient loss of memory, delirium, vomiting, dryness of throat. Signs and symptoms of chronic poisoning are excess consumption of cannabis or consumption of the same for a long time leads to chronic poisoning. Tolerance and psychological dependency develops. Degeneration of the CNS and insanity. Reduction in the serum testosterone and sperm count may be associated with gynecomastia. Gradual loss of appetite, weakness, wasting, tremors, sleepy facial expressions, vacant looks, red eyes, impotence, moral and mental deterioration. Treatment will be this is on the same lines as other narcotics, washing out the mouth with warm water, strong tea or coffee, hypodermic injection of strychnine, artificial respiration. If necessary, saline purgatives may be useful. Diazepam 5 to 10 mg if the patient is violent and aggressive. Godukta with Sharkara and induce vomiting. Postmortem appearance will be these are not characteristics but are those of asphyxia. Medico legal importance. Most of the cannabis poisoning or accidental or due to overindulgence. It is usually mixed with chocolates and salt. Majum and charas are used as stupefying poison prior to robbery, kidnapping, etc. Sometimes it is taken by criminals before committing a criminal act to strengthen nerves. Method of Shodhana. The dried leaves of cannabis are soaked in water and dried. Then it is fried with ghee in mild fire or mandagni. The bhang obtained after this is suddha. Another method says bhang are taken and boiled in babbula tvakwatha for 12 minutes and leaves are taken out and dried. Then bhavana with godugda is given and dried. Now it is shodhita vijaya. Fatal dose will be resin 2 grams and THC will be 30 mg. Fatal period will be several days, which cannot be predicted perfectly. Important formulations are Jatifaladi Churna, Trilokya Vijayavati. Pharmacotherapeutics are Deepana Pachana, Antrashulahara. Therapeutic dose is 2 to 4 Rati. Gunja. Type of poison is organic irritant poison. Botanical name is Abrus precatorius. Synonyms are Rakta, Raktika, Shitapaki. Toxic part is the seed and chemical constituents are abrin and abrine. Rasapanchaka includes Rasa or Tikta and Kashaya, Guna or Laghu, Tikshna and Ruksha. Virya is Ushna and Vipaka is Katu. Important formulations are Gunja Jivana Rasa, Gunja Taila. Fatal dose is 90 to 120 mg by infection, by injection, 1 to 2 crushed seeds by mouth. Fatal period will be 3 to 5 days and therapeutic dose will be 1 to 1.5 rati of Bija Churna. Signs and symptoms includes when the seeds are swallowed raw or after cooking, they are not poisonous. Seeds must be crushed or chipped for harmful effects to occur. Symptoms may be delayed from a few hours to 2 to 3 days when given orally. They include severe irritation of upper GIT, abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, bloody diarrhea, weakness, etc. Postmortem appearance will be the injury site is swollen, inflamed, and necrosed. Fragments of suet are usually found in wound. Internal organs are congested and hemorrhagic. Mucous membrane of the stomach and intestine is highly congested with numerous hemorrhagic patches on its surface. Medico-legal importance. Most of the cases are accidental, like consumption of attractive seeds by children. Suis are used to kill cattle either to produce cheap hides or for revenge. For homicide, the needle is kept between fingers and giving slap which drives needle into the body. The use of abrus as an arrow poison is known. Malingerers use the powdered seeds to produce conjunctives. Method of Shodhana. Gunja seeds dried in a pottery to do Dolayantra Svedana with kanji as liquid media for 3 hours. The external cover is removed, washed with warm water, dried well and used. Treatment will be gastric lavage, activated charcoal, purgative, dissecting out the sui and injection of antiabrin. Meghanda Swarasa along with sugar should be consumed and followed by gulping of dugda.